Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have OnePlus Buds Pro 2 and you need to do a hard reset on them. This can fix a lot of issues. If you are having problems where your earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth, or maybe you're getting sound only out of the left ear or only out of the right ear, or you're having other volume issues, a hard reset can fix a lot of these things, and it's very easy to do. All we need to do is make sure that we have our earbuds in their case, like as seen here, and we're just going to come in and we're going to press this pairing button, and we're just going to press and continue to hold it. And you'll see that the indicator light on the front of the case, it will be white at first, and you're just going to continue to hold it for about 15 seconds. And you will know that the pairing is complete when the indicator light on the front of the case blinks red 2 times. Then you can just close the case, open it back up, and then you can pair these earbuds again with whatever device you would like to use them on, because they will be reset. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.